Hey guys, it's Floyan here, and I got a little bit kind of different video for you guys today. I will give you a heads up, it's going to be a little bit hard to hear me in this video, but as you see in the title, it's me in Dubai getting it real while I'm going down this kind of lazy river that goes into multiple different slides. I have mentioned it in previous videos about how this one lazy river goes into another one, into another one, into another one, into another slide, into another, like all connected into one. It was actually fun to just ride in there and just kind of calmly be there, right? Um, and I'm gonna make this video because I kind of go a little bit on a yapping session, I guess you could say, for a little bit, talking about how just life in general is good and stuff like that. And I kind of explained some stuff that I feel like a lot of people could connect to, resonate with, while I'm in this floaty thing. This little inner tube that I just sit on this whole time. So hopefully you guys do like this video. And if you want more videos like this, more real type of videos, or you want me to do other stuff, whatever you guys want, just comment down below in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and thank you for the support on the last video with the Carolina Reaper horse challenge. That was actually a lot of fun to make and edit, and I've had nothing but positive reviews on it. So thank you guys for that. It's over 100 views now, which is quite a lot just considering my most recent videos. I do have a video on my channel with like almost 400,000 views on it, but I made that clear back in 7th grade, and it's only like a 30-second video, but it's still almost 400K views, which I actually do find very good and proud of myself for doing that, just, step by step. So, anyways, hope you guys like and subscribe, share this video, hit the bell icon, enjoy this video. Like I said, I do get real, but it is a little bit hard to hear myself in the video, but hopefully it doesn't affect you guys too much. So, yeah, thank you for everything. Peace.
Walk back too close, you ain't even know me. Trust my word is from way back from the north. Lasty in the order, spend it like they owe me.
So apparently, they have like a slide, but you have the option to stay in the inner tube and go to another slide, I guess. We're gonna find out. Tell you what. Everything here just feels great. I'm not gonna lie. I'm only in technically my second day, but it's really my first full day here. And the hotel has been great, the water park's great, the service is great, everybody's nice. The food was actually really good at the buffet. Man, thank God for everything, man. Thank God for everything. Never forget, never forget. I'm coming down. So, you can't see it, but it's on my right wrist, which is what my hand's attached to. And I got a fast track pass because I'm not waiting in line. Fuck that. My bad. Thank you. Woo! No! Fuck. Alright, I'm backwards. I don't like this. I'm backwards. Something? Yep. Okay, we're spinning around now. No. Fuck. Alright. We're slowly but surely making it here. This is a kind of cool experience. Just kind of getting a couple of rides in one is actually insane. I'm not gonna lie. But and then here we are. I don't think there's another ride, but oh, there is. Yeah, there's more. Okay, look at this. Wherever you got. Hold on tight and enjoy your ride. Will do. Thank you. So like, so calm but exciting. So like, dude, that was 3 rides in one. The fuck? What's that? That's crazy. Waiting to just hit this wall, and I just been riding at the same pace at it like every day. Wow. Maybe there's another one. We'll find out. Wow. Now we're at the wave house. I don't know. I mean, I don't think there's waves in it. I don't believe, if I remember correctly, it's just like arcades and food. Stuff like that. It looks like there might be more. I don't know. We'll find out. Very soon. Everybody's calm here. Everybody's nice. You know, that's nice. They enjoy their life. As I'm enjoying mine. Here comes my hotel. It's my hotel. Look at it. I don't know what room I am from here. I have no idea what part of the building I'm looking at. But all in all, it's been great. Forever memories. God is good and God is great. They do have the little balloon here. It's called the balloon Poseidon Tower, I think. Poseidon something tower. Balloon tower, beach tower, whatever. Either way. I'm not gonna go in there. I was planning on it, but then I was like, nah. Not that I'm afraid of heights. I'm going to the top of the Burj Khalifa, so I am afraid of heights, but I just kind of overcome my fears. So that's how you got to do things in life. Overcome your fears. I had fear coming here because I had never been on a trip by myself. Never done anything by myself like this. And I'm an only child, so always had friends and stuff. But I'm here alone, and it's fun. You know, when you're comfortable alone, it's scary for other people because then you just like don't want to talk to them. But hey, life moves on, you know? I got to be successful, and if the people around me don't want to be, then it's an easy cutoff. Dang, it's a lot more deep than I thought. Hello, sir. Thank you, thank you. This one's a little bit more rough. Okay. Alright. That one was actually more fun. We're playing the most fun one. Are we done yet? I wonder if we're done yet. I mean, I'm not complaining. This is actually an amazing ride. For being, I mean, I really only paid about 75 USD. For a fast track pass, but I also pay for the hotel, so I get in for free of the water park. World's biggest water park, 105 slides. That's insanity. I actually came here real early in the morning to see if I can get in all the slides, but I ran into an issue. Some things require 2 people, like these balloons right here. I don't know if you can really see it, but the double little inflatables. And then some require like a gathering. Now, I think with the gathering, I can get in with other random people, but who really wants to be having random people around them all the time, you know what I'm saying? So, but I might try it, I don't know. Just because some of those slides with group people can be fun. And I've been on group slides back in America with other people, random people I don't even know, when I was with my ex-girlfriend. And they let us go on their thing. So I don't know if people here would do that or not, but I'm willing to try it. You know, just get a group in. I think they would allow that. I think that would be logical, right? I might have to do that after this. I'm gonna do that after this. Go in one of those group slides. Right there's the metro. It's probably hard to see. Better if you just look up pictures online of it, but that's the metro. I'm actually not gonna personally use the metro. I might actually, now that I think about it, just to get me to places easier. Because my phone, I use Straight Talk, right? And it doesn't have any cell towers in Dubai, so I'm just kind of living service free right now off the Wi-Fi from the hotel, which isn't the best Wi-Fi, don't get me wrong, it's good, but it's not very good, right? You can't do video calls or anything, which is fine. I just make regular calls. They're choppy, but it works, you know what I'm saying? So, and I kind of like it that way. I think God did that on purpose. That way I kind of just am by myself, you know? But here comes more. It looks like another slide. I called it a slide, but it's really like a river. They call this rapid river, but see you when I get there. As far as I know, there's not more rivers, but there might be, but I don't think so. Because now I'm returning to the tower that I came from, I think. I'll be honest, I don't really know, but that was fun. It was relaxing, but a little bit of an adrenaline rush here and there. Very nice though, very nice. I realize there's lights under here. Does that mean during the night that these are all lit up? That would be lit. I'm gonna have to do that. I might have to come back and do that. This all started with that first slide. That is insane. It looks like this is coming to the end. Unless I'm just dumb.
Yeah, fall back too close, you ain't even know me. Trust my brothers from way back from the north. Lasty and Dior, spend it like they owe me.